Do you like a new construction home, single family, one story with high ceiling, large backyard, and a brick favors, and located in a very quiet community in Central Florida? This property that I'm gonna tour you and show you right now is the best fit for you. Are you ready to see and own this one? Let's go. Hey, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, let me introduce myself to you. My name is RJ Bautista, your favorite incredible realtor with LPT Realty specializing in new construction here in Central Florida. A quick summary of our channel: we upload every Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time a new construction deal, a new construction community that you don't want to miss out. So make sure to subscribe and smash that like button if you found this helpful and useful as well. And also share this video to all family and friends who would like to live and own a new construction here at Central Florida too. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Welcome to this Onyx home. The Onyx is a builder here at Central Florida. This home is just over 1,700 square footage, 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, 2 car garage with a very beautiful interior design. As you can see it here, as soon as you come here, you will see this beautiful tile flooring. They use a porcelain tiles here, which is a very good material, top-notch material for flooring in the industry, which is I very recommend if you like this kind of flooring. And also the height of the ceiling here is just over 9 foot, makes your house or home so much bigger because of the high ceiling, and plenty of windows as well. As you can see it here, we are on the first bedroom. The estimated here is 12 by 11. You can have this room as a bedroom or an office room, whatever you prefer, as you can see it here. And here on the second room is your shared bathroom. As you can see on the tile here, they used a porcelain tiles on the shower area and the flooring here, and also you will have here a quartz countertop there as well, which is a very good, a very nice home in here at Central Florida. Here at the second bedroom, you will have the same size on the first one, which is a 12 by 11. You can fit a double bed here, or a 2 single bed, or a queen size bed, whatever you prefer. And also you will have these big windows, as you can see it here, and also a sliding door closet there. And as you see it here, they don't put any carpet inside of the bedroom here as well. This builder doesn't like carpet at all. So if you like this kind of home, or if you don't like a carpet, this builder might be the right one for you. And here, as soon as we coming in the main room, you will see this door on the left. This is gonna be your AC room, and also this another room here is another storage room that you can use. Either you can hang your clothes or put some shoes in there, whatever you prefer. And now I am super excited to show you this open concept floor plan inside of the home. As you can see it here, you will have your kitchen here, you will have your dining area there, and also your living room in on one open living space area, which is very good, which is very open and very homey as well. Here in the kitchen, you will have this center island. You will have this quartz long countertop here with double sink here, and also here in the kitchen area, you will have their porcelain tiles backsplash as well, which is very good. I love it because it looks very smooth, it looks very clean, and it's very elegant as well. Here at this room will be your pantry. You will have a plenty or big pantry here, and also on the left side here, your washer and dryer will be here, and you will have an extra storage here for your laundry or your laundry room with couple of shelves there that you can use, and also an extra sink there for manual washing, right? This door is your access to your 2-car garage, which is a plenty of room for your car to park in here. And now we are heading to the main room again. You will have an extra space here for your kitchen area. All the appliances, washer and dryer, they are included only for quick moving home. Means like you can have those quick moving homes. For if you're gonna finance the home, it will take you 30 to 45 days, and all the appliances will be included to those one. If you want more information about that, come to me and I can explain to you more. Here in the living room space area, you can fit an L-shaped couch there, or whatever you prefer, like a two-seater couch, three-seater couch, a single couch there will fit. And here in the dining area, you can fit from 6 up to 8 chairs with a table there as well. And now we are heading here at the back of your house. This lot is a pretty big lot. As you can see it here, you will have a plenty or big lot size here that you can enjoy on this particular home. They have like different lot size that you can choose from. Obviously, the bigger lot you have, the more expensive that you have to pay for it. And now we are heading to the last bedroom, the master bedroom. But before that, I'll show you this another closet here or storage that you can use, which is a very good one and a very useful one. And this particular bedroom is your master bedroom. The size of this master bedroom is 12 by 14 with a very high ceiling there. I love it. And very big windows here, which is I really love, because these windows itself, they have a very protected from the hurricane. They use a good material here so that your windows, your whole home will be protected and resilient from typhoon or hurricane here in Central Florida. Here in the master bedroom, you will have your master and suite bathroom. You will have his and her sink here with white quartz countertop, and here at the separate one, you will have a bathtub here with a shower area, separated one with pure porcelain tiles here all over your bathroom. And also you will have another room here for your toilet as a private room, which is very good as well. And here is your walk-in closet. Look how big is this one. You can put a lot of stuff here for this particular closet. With this 3-bedroom 2-bathroom house, you won't not recognize that you will have a big walk-in closet there. And as soon as you come there, you will see like, wow, this is very nice. I love this home because the ambience here is very homey. As soon as you come here, the high ceiling will fill your house little big than just 1700 square footage, because of the size, because of the layout, the flooring itself. Overall, I love this home. And also, the last thing that I would like to talk about here is point of interest. But before that, let me tell you the location of this home is located in Mascotte, Florida, which is right next to Groveland and Clermont area, which is a very good place as well. Developing area here at particular location. And also what I would like to talk about here are some school, supermarket, and so on. So make sure to stay here until the finish, because you will get the information that you will need in the future. First of all, I would like to talk about here is the Mascotte Charter School, which is about 2.2 miles, 7 minutes away, which is very close to this community. And this Mascotte Charter School offer elementary school, middle school, and high school. So you don't need to move or change school if you have kids that needs to go to the school into different school, because charter school offer all of them until they graduated high school, right? Next one I would like to talk about here is the Costco. I know most of us love Costco. Even myself, I love going Costco because most of the goods that you need you can find in Costco. And the Costco is just about 14 miles away. It's about 20-30 minutes. It depends on the traffic, which is very close as well to this particular community itself. And the next one that I would like to talk about here is the gym. If you are a gym freak like me, I love going to the gym. There are few different gyms that you can choose from, but the one I recommend is the CF Fitness, because they are 24 hours gym that you can use it whenever you need it. And this is about 10 miles, 20 minutes away from the community itself. Very close one. And the last one that I would like to talk about here is the historic downtown Clermont. Historic downtown Clermont, you can do a lot of stuff there. You can walk around, you can do shopping, you can explore the area, you can do a lot of stuff. Either if you have a kid or you're adult itself, you can do so much things over in historic downtown Clermont. And the distance on this one is between 8.4 miles away, which is 17 minutes away from the community itself. And the last thing that I would like to talk about here, or the most important thing that I would like to talk about here, this community or this builder doesn't charge CDD. So you don't have to pay CDD if you don't like CDD. Another checklist for you on this community or this builder. However, they have an HOA. HOA will cover your internet and basic cable, which will save you a lot, because once you have an internet, if you're going to pay an internet, it will probably cost you around $100. But the HOA will cover that for you, so you don't have to worry about the internet because HOA will pay that for you, which is a big saving in your pocket. This is the video for today. If I missed something about this community itself, if you have any question regarding about this community or this builder or this particular home, leave your comment down below. And also, if you stay until this end, comment down below new home so I could see how many people who stay in this video. I appreciate your time watching our video, and also don't forget to subscribe once again so you don't want to miss out every Thursday a new community, a new construction deal that will save you a lot of money during the process, right? Until next time, I'll see you on my next video. I'm out for now. Peace. This sun is very, very bright. I don't know if you can see me. Oh, bye.